Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny haul and some goodies that I received from Miss Susan from SuzyQCrafter21, and I will put her link below as well. This is some old stuff that I got from Michael's, but just never showed it, and I got these for like $1.99 or $1, whichever one it was. Might have been $1 even. And just these on clearance, hooks, and these were like $1, and the clearance bin $2. And so I got these. These are 3 different sizes in them. 2 packs of that. This one has 3 sizes, all silver, and this one has 3 different colors: silver, gold, and bronze. And then these are just all the large ones. And this is another tricolor pack, but these are the green leatherbacks, and these are lobster claws. The only thing I had that I hadn't shown yet was I had got this explosion card punch board from Tuesday morning. Don't need it, may take it back. I had got it for something that I was going to do for somebody, and then I changed my mind and did something else. But, you know, I am a sucker for these punch boards, so I may just keep it, but, yeah. So anyway, that's what I had from that. And then I just want to show you real quick what my girl Susan had gifted to me. I was over there visiting, and she had got her some goodies in from Tonic. And she didn't give it $1. That was from my grandson. She just put it in this bag. She got some Tonic. So she gifted me some Nouveau, and this one is, what's her name? Oh, Crystal Drops, and this is metallic. I'm trying to see if it has a different name on it though. But anyway, you can see the color, that nice pink. She gave me this twine French blue, so it's blue and white, and then she gave me this glacier paste, which I don't have any, so it gives it extra shine. I haven't tried this, so this will be fun to try. You see that nice pearlescent color. Probably can't see it on this light. Then she gave me this chalk mousse, which I don't have as well. Never had any of that, and it's like a plum. It's called Ice Plum. And you can see that shade, but you can tell that's gray, and that's like a little hint of purple there, the Ice Plum. And then she gifted me this crafty tacky glue, and it's a nice applicator tip, and this is tacky PVA craft glue with extra fine precision tip, perfect for arts, crafts, and DIY. So I'll be glad to try that out. And then she gifted me this extra set that she had. All of this was extra that she got with her Tonic Studio stuff, so I was so thankful when she was there to be there when she was opening her box, and she had duplicates and stuff. So it was so sweet of her to give it to me. So this is the Creative Card Bear Hugs is what it's called, and this is the Bear Hugs accessory. So this is a 19-piece Gemini by Crafter's Companion. So it's 5 by 4.2. That's the largest die. So you can see the bear face, and it's a shaped card. I'm trying to open it up. I want to tear it open, but boom. Okay. Nice size die, so you can see how big that is in comparison to my hand. So nice size, right? And of course it's going to look like this picture. 19 pieces, as you can see there, and that's what it's going to look like. And then this is the Bear Hugs accessory. So this is a stamp set, and this is 13 pieces. So it says, again, this is perfect for cards. It has, you are very special to me, sending bear hugs. Friends like you make a life bearable. Hope your birthday is as sweet as honey. I love you very much. Happy Bear Day. Have a very special day, honey. and grin and bear it. And then there's a bee and a heart and then a little trail and a paw print. So all the stamps that can go along with this. So thank you so much, Susan. And the reason why I was at her house is because she has been helping me with a project. I am making some gift boxes, some proposal boxes, and I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, she has the Glow Forge, and so I asked her to make me some glass tags, drink tags. So this one is one of the girls that she made. It says Jessica Wine Time. And so I gave her a couple quotes that I wanted on it for the girls and for the guys, for the grooms and the bridesmaids. And she was able to make them. The girls are in the hearts and the guys are in a circle. And I will show you them later once I get all the videos together, which I don't have much space to really make my videos like I want to for this project, because I'm making about 30 boxes for the proposal, because it's going to be a large wedding. And so I will show you those pieces so you can see more in detail of all the ones that Susan has made. But she made these and some coasters and 2 glasses for me. So yeah, so I was so excited to commission her to make that. So if you need her to make you some, let her know. Her link will be below, but I will be showing it soon. But I wanted to wait till I got everything done before I actually showed all of the goodies. And let me see. It would be nice if I set the glass down. And that is how it sits, although you can't probably see it, but it is sitting on the glass, and that's because I'm moving the glass. So when you have the glass sitting out, it stays. So that is so cool. And this is one thing, excuse me, one last thing I wanted to show, which I forgot to add, was my sign that Susan made me. And this is DaretoBeCreative, and she made me this plan on her Glow Forge. And I just wanted to show you that. So yeah. So again, check out her channel. And thanks so much for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Okay, God bless. Bye-bye.